Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So you guys, I'm feeling great today. I'm feeling amazing. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling energized. I'm ready to create. I have enough energy for this entire wash day. And so yeah, just sending you the good vibes through this video. I hope whatever day it is that you're enjoying it and having the best day, because you won't get it back, so you might as well enjoy it. So you guys, make sure you wake up every day, be present, enjoy life, and just be excited to share your gifts with this world. So that's how I'm feeling today, alright? So you guys know I've had this hair color in for exactly 1 week, okay? And now it is wash day. It's time to wash, give myself a new hairstyle, time to refresh. This has worn out its welcome, even though the color is still so vibrant, as you guys can see. So today's video, I'll be trying out a hairstyle that I've never tried before. Okay, so it'll be my first time trying it. And you know what? As an influencer, you know, coming up with content and trying to keep the hairstyles fresh and not just do like braid outs and twist outs and wash and goes, you really have to sit down and plan. You know, I just did a wash and go. I just did a braid out. Literally, this was a braid out. And so it's like, okay, do I want to do a twist out this wash day? I don't want to do a protective style. I don't want to put my hair into my go-to low bun either. You know what I'm saying? All that's left is a twist out, really. And that, we've seen that a million times. So just trying to keep the ideas fresh and not constantly doing twist outs, wash and goes, and braid outs. You know what I'm saying? Not boring you guys to death with the same hairstyles. It's definitely a struggle. So considering that I recently did a wash and go and a braid out, and I'm really don't want to do a twist out, I'm going to try a tweed out. Is that how you pronounce it? A tweed out? A Twaid out? A tweed out? A Twaid out? I don't know how do you pronounce it. Okay. So for those of you who don't know what a Twaid out is, it's basically a twist and a braid combined. So basically you start by braiding and then you finish off the section by twisting it up. So it's like a half twist, half braid. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm combining two different hairstyles into one. And we're gonna see how this curl pattern turns out, okay? So let's get into products. So the products that I'll be using, I'll actually be using a new product from Flora and Curl that I wanted to tell you guys about. So this is the Style Me Sweet Hibiscus Curl Volumizing Foam by Flora and Curl. So this is what I'll be using to do my tweed out. I want to say tweed. It's Twaid. So this is what I'll be using on my tweed out, okay? So this is actually a new product by Flora and Curl, and it's a part of their Style Me collection. And it's a lightweight instant styler with hibiscus and marshmallow to volumize and lift your curls for all hair types, okay? So it says, our curl volumizing foam has a silky, aerated texture that melts into curls, adding superior body and bounce. It is perfect for volumizing your wash and goes, roller sets, twist outs, and braid outs. Our alcohol-free botanical formula instantly lifts curls where it is needed without adding weight. With just a few pumps, you can enhance your texture and keep your curls voluminous throughout the week. So yeah, this product will really be testing out to see how defined and how hydrated our tweed out is going to be. So I'll also be pairing this with some other Flora and Curl products. I'll be pairing it with the leave-in detangler. You know, I gotta add a little bit of cream in there, especially if I'm working with a product like this. Just my personal, you know what I'm saying. And I'll also be sealing in moisture with this Flora and Curl African Citrus Bloom Superfruit Hair Oil. And this is one of the best smelling hair oils in the game, you guys. From the first time I tried this oil, I was hooked, okay? Amazing. Like the scent, this is just a well-rounded oil. And when I tell you it's the best oil I have personally smelled, like there's actually, you know what? It has some competition, but just know this is top 3, okay? This is top 3 of best smelling oils, okay? So African Citrus Bloom Superfruit Hair Oil. That just sounds beautiful, okay? I'm going to shampoo this color out of my hair. I'm going to condition, and then we'll be back to do our tweed out and get into our styling products. And my hair is back to black, guys. So Honestly, let me just say, black hair hit different. Like, I really missed my black hair. And I know I get the question, like, will you ever dye your hair? I don't know. I don't see it in my future, but if it happens, it happens. I'm not opposed to it. I enjoyed the brown. I really did enjoy the brown, but I like my natural hair color. And just, I have hair goals that I'm trying to reach before I, you know, dye it, cut it, chop it, lock it, well, you know, whatever I feel like I want to do with it, okay? So yeah, let's get into this Twaid-Out. I'm pro black, okay, including my hair color. So my hair is twisted up from when I deep condition. So I apply the conditioner, detangle, twist up the section, and then when I go to rinse, I just rinse the conditioner out in its section. Okay, so that way when I go in to braid my hair or twist it, I can just tackle each section individually and work my way through my hair. It helps wash day go quicker for me because my hair is already separated, and also it gives me less anxiety on wash day when I don't have to focus on a whole ton of hair everywhere. It's already divided up. So I got my little system. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. So as you guys can see, I'm finger detangling. I made sure when I was deep conditioning that I really got out all the kinks and the knots in my hair so that the styling process goes smoothly. So I'm starting with braiding, and then halfway through I switch over to a twist. And for some of them I'm doing a 3-strand twist, for some of them I'm doing a 2-strand twist. My technique is pretty much go with the flow, okay? I'm just doing, just do whatever you feel comfortable. If you prefer to do a 2-strand twist, do that. If you want to do 3-strand, you can do that. It is completely up to you. Alright guys, so this curl volumizing foam is so lightweight. I feel it defining my curls. My hair feels really soft and hydrated and just super lightweight, okay? So I'm liking it so far. I'm really liking it. And I love that the braids kind of elongate it, and then the twist really will bring in a lot of definition. So I'm excited to see these results. All right, y'all, so my Twaid-Out is dry and it's so lightweight. The shrinkage, when I use really lightweight products, like the shrinkage be so crazy, but you know what, that's okay. That comes with natural hair. You know, we just gotta deal with the shrinkage, okay? So I'm gonna be using my Superfruit hair oil to gently unravel and fluff out this Twaid-Out. So you definitely want to make sure you're using an oil for the takedown process, because you are switching from braid to twist. There is bound to be a little bit of frizz, so just extra precaution. Make sure you have that oil on deck, okay? So when I get here, I kind of see where the separation is naturally taking place. Then I just start to unravel my braid. There will be no flaking, no product buildup. It literally just melts into your strands. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Between the definition, the hydration, and the lightweightness of this product, I'm gonna go ahead and separate. Hopefully I don't get too much frizz when I separate this, but we gonna see. Alright, so if you regularly tune into my videos, you can just skip past this part, but I do like to include it for those who are new and who do not know what my favorite hair hack is, okay? So when you're doing braid outs, twist outs, Twaid outs, my favorite hair hack is to put a tad bit of product on the end just to make your natural curl pattern pop, okay? So as I'm going through and gently separating, I'm just putting a little bit of my favorite curl definer or my favorite curly hair product, and just literally, guys, you just put it on the ends, okay? So for example, this piece is a tad bit frizzy, so I'm just going to take a little bit of product and spiral my end just like that and let it air dry and don't touch it, okay? So that is my little hair hack, and that's how I get the perfect spirals and I get rid of the frizz on the ends, because for me, I always have struggled with like having frizz on my ends when I do twist outs, and it's just twist outs. So with this product, I think it did a really good job of hydrating and defining my curls. The only thing is I don't think it has enough hold to last me until my next wash day. So I do think I'm going to end up, you know, it's going to end up in a frizz fest. But we'll definitely see. I will definitely update you guys on my next wash day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'm not mad at the way my results turned out. Comment what you think below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye guys.